Alright, welcome back everyone. Friday night. Ciao! Looks like Big Daddy's here. Oh boy. So we're not trying to go very far, because I want to make sure we're here for the next 2 days. So make sure that I've been there. Like, you're not going anywhere. There you go. So we're not even going to penetrate. We ain't going by nowhere. I just know that Eugene is full in effect right now, and he's mad. And he's got the waves coming up pretty heavy duty. Hopefully you're gonna calm down a little bit. But I don't know, it doesn't look like it though. Ramming them sandbags pretty hard down there, making pretty big waves, pop it over. But we got still dark skies all the way around. Trying to catch that beautiful sunset tonight. Looking beautiful and gorgeously orange right over there. Still dark though, all day long. Got a little bit of clear skies right over here on the inland, just a little bit. But yeah, we're not trying to go very far, just in the public area right here, where you can't see anything. So, cause they get it like that. Don't see those. How that can go? There you go. There you go. Cause we're trying to make videos. Nah, that's not me. I'm not trying to make videos or nothing of the beach. Just give you guys an idea of how fun it could be for you to go to Beach Fest, because I've never gone. Only see it from the outside. But yeah, pretty violent waves right now. Smashing up there. You got 85,000 police officers, so I'm glad we're connected there. So they'll be happy to know that I'm just going to be walking the public right here. And they won't have to play football this year. Yeah, not too many people at the beach today because storm. Just a small little group. Weather didn't leave very much for us local people. Pero it's alright though. So we got lots of kilometers. Like I told you, Matisse, you're going to be mad. So you're going to be like, oh gosh, here he comes. He got that pit bull with him. That beautiful, big old grande pit bull with 2 little tiny teeth in there. Going to eat everybody. Now they know they're not playing around anymore. So yeah, we're not going to be trying to go around the backside, nothing like that. Just pretty amazing that they got the pretty powerful waves there slamming up on against there. Never did get the little water spouter out of there because just can't do it. They're like, oh gosh, here he comes. Got that tattoo now. I think she's somebody. So yeah, pretty powerful night. Hopefully she takes it easy, but still getting pounded there pretty good. So hopefully we ain't trying to get drowned. I'm sure they're all excited about high tide. That we can't walk by there without getting drenched in half. It's okay though, at least everything's all set up and going and good to go. And keep it on the down low till we get out with the flow, until we maybe take it around back to the water's edge and around. But yeah, just a disappointment to the local people though. That's all it is. It ain't hurting nobody but the local people. And not too many people have that kind of money to live around here. Not even me. To gift for a ticket like that, and if you have a chance to watch it and see some groups that maybe you're never gonna get to see this once in a lifetime thing, and you never know what the next day will bring. So I'm taking a little peek from the thing. It's not gonna hurt anybody. You're gonna miss out on that $300. Well, that's the way it goes, I guess. But oh, there, Papa Sun coming now. We'll be going tomorrow morning. We'll be out early. Tide's gonna be out early in the morning. The battleships, Marines look good out there against the sunset. Still a few people out enjoying the beach, so an overcast day. I did see the sun though out a few minutes, but not a whole bunch. Yeah, like, oh gosh. Let's see what is good to be green going out. Oh, look, there's a Marley dog. Just like Marley. Should have brought Marley. Yeah, guess it's all how you respond and how you act. I respond by cleaning the beach. Don't be a hindrance, be a help. Hopefully that sun's gonna blast down through there and make it for it nice. Gorgeous sunset pictures. Mustn't know nothing this morning. Couldn't even see the sun. It was so dark all around everywhere. With there's old boy out there fishing with the net. This waves are pretty wild and vicious. I'm pretty impressed. It looks like it's got a good rip current going on in there too. Pulling him right there. Yeah, gorgeous, beautiful setting over there amongst the boats and ships and military marines. Got that one little spot coming through there. Lighting up the sky over there. If you can't beat them, join them. Remember Bugs Bunny? Like, I never wanted to see any of their concerts or any of this stuff. This is not even my time. My time was, I went to see Ozzy and Metallica, Eagles, Disturbed, Doobie Brothers, Foreigner. Rob Zombie was playing with Ozzy that one time. And so that's the kind of stuff, you know what I mean, that I listen to. This all the songs I hear they playing in there, I just listen to them on the radio. It's not something that I'm that interested in. It's not my music of my time. It's not my music era. I just want you guys to know that the Baja Beach Fest is a great place to be. I can give you a little tiny sample, but you can't get samples too much anymore because they're sample free. So maybe we'll catch some practice tomorrow morning. You never know. We'll see how it goes. And just know that it's a fun time. But I have all my subscribers that I need, and I have been successful with my channel. So we're only here to just show you how beautiful Rosarito Beach is, day after day, week after week, year after year, as everything changes, and it still is one of the best beaches in Baja. Family beaches for a weekday, weekend, anytime. Sunsets, the most beautiful sunsets. Hopefully you guys make it down here to the beach, get a chance to come and hang out and enjoy the beautiful beach, stay in one of the hotels. Lots of Airbnbs along here, everywhere. And I paddleboard out there on the water usually, and I hope that I can do more in the future to do some kind of water sports and stuff, tricks and jumps and jumping the waves and doing different things with machines to show you guys one time. Oh, it's Chris Farley. Good to see he still works here. Yeah, so Beach Fest kicking off, and ready right now. Nicky Jam, I think, playing tonight. I think I saw on my video, Billboard thing, down the Pops and Beers. So thank you guys for all the new subscribers. We got some rough waves coming in here. I'm throwing on tonight. I'm hoping that they're gonna be able to keep this sunset under control and let it flow. It's a big monsters though. I know, I can see that. Gonna try to get a couple close-up snapshots of the sunset here in a few minutes. And like I said again, if you guys are down here for the Beach Fest, be safe, have fun. If you get any questions or need any help, we're always here for you. Send a message. Just click on Google Maps. Teacher Ropas, Teacher Boutique. Get called. They'll get through to one of us. Thanks again, you guys, for all the subscribers. Thanks for watching the videos, and hopefully we'll see you at the beach this weekend. Best beach in Baja. Alright, be safe out there. Hit that like button.